Hi, I am Azmin Pradhan. In this video, I am going to show you how to migrate a WordPress website from one domain to another domain. Now keep that in mind. I am not going to switch my hosting in this video. Now what do I mean by that? Let me explain. There are two types of migration. One is migrating the website from one domain to another domain, and the second scenario is migrating the website from one hosting to another hosting. Now I'm not going to cover up the second scenario in this video, which is hosting switching. I am going to cover up the first one. Now I'm going to show two most easiest ways to do that. So without wasting any more time, let's get started and see the first way. To do that, first of all, you have to log into your cPanel or hosting account, and after that scroll a little bit. You will see the domains tab. From the menu, you just have to click on add-on domains and fill up the domain name here. If you want to create a subdomain, you can type the subdomain name here. Make sure this field is empty, and after that, if you want to create FTP account with your domain name, you can tick mark this option and fill up these fields and click on add domain. After that, the domain will be added to your hosting account. Make sure the desired domain is registered with your hosting name servers. Now what is name server, how to register a domain, and how to change the name server? In case you don't know that, feel free to post that in the comment section so that I can make a video for you. I'll be happy to make a video. So let's move on. Now in this video, I'm not going to add on any domain here. I'm going to use subdomain as the example. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Anyways, you can see that I have already created two subdomain. One is test.iamazmin.ml and the second one is test2.iamazmin.ml. So I'm going to use my two domains here. So let's get started. The first way is, after creating the domain or adding the domain to your cPanel or your hosting account, you just have to scroll a little bit, and after that you can see in the software tab SoftClose app installer. Just click on that, and after that click on installations. After that, just click on clone and choose the domain name from the list and delete the WP from the third field, and from the first field choose the protocol. If you want to stick with HTTP only, then you can select that. If you want to stick with http://www. You can choose the second one. In my option, I'm selecting the second one. After that, you don't need to do anything else. Just click on clone installation. You just have to wait a few seconds. After that, you can browse the website from the first link, and from the second link you can log into your website. You can see the domain name here, test2.iamazmin.ml, and in the dashboard you can see the link as well. Now let me show you my first website, which is test.iamazmin.ml. Now you can see that in my test.imasmin.ml domain, 2017 WordPress theme is installed by default, and all the contents, all the images, all the database, all the permalinks, every single thing is cloned and copied to the new domain, which is test2.imasmin.ml. It's the most easiest one to migrate a WordPress website from one domain to another domain. Now in case you don't like this way to copy or cloning the website, now let's see the second way. First of all, we have to uninstall all the contents, all the permalinks and every single thing, all the database. We have to remove that, and we have to install a fresh WordPress. Now why we are doing that? Because all the changes cannot be recognized by you until you see new something. If I migrate test.imasmin.ml and it's all contents, I have already done that before a couple of seconds. So if I do that 1 second, you will not see the changes because those contents and database permalinks are already there. So that is why I have already removed all these things. Now let's install WordPress once again. Just click on control panel, once again go to soft close app installer, install WordPress, delete WP from the third field. You can select WordPress version. Just try to look at those things. I'm doing it as a tutorial purpose. I have already uploaded a video how to install WordPress. In case you don't know these options, you can see that video. I'll put the link in the video description so you can check that as well. So the default username, the default password is admin and pass. I'm going to keep it and click on install. Okay, there is something wrong that I have selected my main domain where WordPress is already installed, so I have to select test2. This was a mistake, I'm sorry for that. Now let's visit the website. You can see 2019 theme is installed and a fresh WordPress is installed. Now let's do the second step or follow the second ways to migrating the website. Now to migrate the website, first of all you have to go to the dashboard of your previous website and hover on the menu of option of plugin and click on add new. Just type all-in-one WP migration. All-in-one WP migration. This is the plugin which is a 2+ million active installation. Just install that. activate. Now you can see a new menu called one all-in-one WP migration. Click on export. Export to file. In case your website is huge and you have a humongous number of files, so in that case it will take a few hours or maybe few minutes. It's completely depends on your website size. So this is completed. We have to download the file. Just click on download. The file is downloading. Since this is 21 megabyte, I'm going to pause the video and resume the video when the file is downloaded. I have already downloaded the file. Now we have to go to the second website, which is test2.imazmin.ml. I have to go to the dashboard. Add a new plugin, the same plugin. Install. Activate. And from the menu, click on import. Import from file. Locate the file where you have downloaded the file. Wait a few minutes. It depends on your website size, so keep patience and wait until it finishes. Wait a few seconds. After the 100% is shown, Click on proceed. Again, it depends on your website size. Click on finish. Just reload. Now log in. You cannot use the admin and pass the default login credential we have used while installing a fresh WordPress. All the database, all the content, every single file has been replaced, every data has been replaced, every single thing has been replaced. So you have to type the username and password of your previous website or the old website. Now click on visit site. As you can see, the website is migrated to a new domain with all your old contents. This website have every single setting which the old website had. Every single thing, such as permalinks, such as settings, such as contents, database files, every single thing. Now I think you have understood how to migrate a WordPress website. In case you are not being successful doing the thing, in case you are not getting any single thing, in case you are failing again and again, feel free to post that in the comment section so that I can get back to you and go through all these settings and make the installation successful. Just try to post that in the comment section. So I will catch you in my next video. I hope that till then I'll say bye. Keep me in your prayer. Thank you very much for watching this video.